we're doing this video with the purpose of sharing some good news from the coronavirus and showing also tutorials that can help you get more occupied during this quarantine. The first good news is that China has reported a reduction in the cases, although this achievement was using extensive lockdown measures, as we are also doing here in Brazil and many other countries, vaccine for COVID-19, and one of them is already being tested in humans in Seattle. So that's a really good news. So this means that we're not that far from a cure and that we can finally get out of quarantine soon, we hope. Are doing in order to prevent this virus to spreading even more and causing more chaos. So there are 3 potential aiming in vaccines. Another good news is that doctors in several countries, as India and Japan, have discovered provisory treatments for patients in suffering, which is like a relief because a lot of people are passing through a really hard time, and having something that can treat them and make them feel better is really good. The treatment is using blood plasma from former infected people to strengthen the newly infected immune system, mixing medication from other types of coronavirus, malaria and SARS, with HIV medication, which has also shown remarkable improvement of patient life quality. So this is a big good news because that means that our health is improving. So now, hope you guys enjoyed the good news and that gave you guys some hope and relief. So now, hope you guys enjoyed the next tutorials, but one is by me, the another one is from Pedro Saunders, then Chloe and Bia Borges. So hope you guys enjoy. Hey everyone, so today I will be teaching you guys a workout routine. It's really simple and will help you stay active and healthy during the quarantine. So this consists in 10 exercises and 30 seconds each, and we have 5 minutes break between every single one. So the first one is high knees. I'll put like here the video, high knees, and you do this for 30 seconds, then you rest for 5 seconds, and then you start again, jumping jacks here again, and 30 seconds jumping jacks, 5 seconds rest, and then you do, I don't know the name in English, but I think it's like that. It's isometry. In Portuguese, isometria. When you go in a squat and stay there for like 30 seconds, in this case, so you will do a squat and stay there for 30 seconds, and rest 5, and then another one is jumping squats. So you will squat and jump, squat and jump, squat and jump for 30 seconds. Then you rest 5. Always remember to drink water. It's really important to drink water because you'll be hydrated and healthy, and in this time of coronavirus and stuff, we need to be really healthy. So after the jumping squats, you will do a down and kick. I don't know if that's how it's called, but that's how I call. Okay, so that's how I call downs and kicks. So you go down with one leg and then kick the same leg up. And you do this like for 30 seconds with one leg, and then you do 30 seconds with the another leg. And then after that, you'll do the Russian twist. For this, you'll need a mat or a towel. You can like fold a towel, and you can have a towel and fold the towel and lean on it so you don't hurt your back. So the Russian twist is basically you stay like this, and then you like twist your body like to the sides for 30 seconds. And then you rest again for 5 seconds. The next one is the reverse crunch. You put your legs up and down for 30 seconds, right? Remember to always like squeeze your belly when you come legs up, because this will help your abs to be toned. And after that, you do a lounge pose with rotation. So you'll go down with one leg and then turn your body to the side, the leg you're going down. I'll put the video right here. So you go down and turn, round and turn, down and turn. After that, you will do a plank, a normal plank. I think everyone knows what a plank is, for 30 seconds. Remember to press your abs so you don't be like, you don't do it wrong, because if you do it wrong, it will really hurt you. And the last one, the last exercise is the in and out. So it's like it's an ab workout. You like put your legs straight and then put it back, straight and So yeah, this is a really like hard exercise, but it's really helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed the tips on how to be healthy and active during the quarantine. And yeah, stay healthy, stay active, don't be in your bed for the whole day, because this is not healthy. So please exercise and put a music on while doing it. It's really important. That's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the next video, which is a recipe by Pedro, and enjoy. Bye.
Thank you for the tips, Taka. Hi everybody, my name is Pedro, and my family and I always love going to the kitchen and trying different recipes. So, in times of quarantine, baking became a therapy for us. And today, I'm going to share my delicious chocolate chip cookie recipe. Hope you enjoy it too. Now, for the recipe, you will need 75 grams of softened butter, half a cup of brown sugar, a quarter of a cup of white sugar. Mix the three of them with a hand mixer until smooth. Then add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then mix them all together until smooth. After getting smooth, add gradually 1.5 cup of plain flour. Then, when the dough is done mixing, scrape all of the rest from the mixing blades. Before finishing the dough, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius before putting the dough balls into the oven. To wrap up the dough, add 1 cup of chocolate chips and mix them with a rubber spatula. Then, scoop small balls of dough onto the grease pan and leave them with a gap so they can rise properly. When the ball is ready, decorate the top of it with more chocolate chips. Then, fill your pan with cookie dough balls until it is completely full. Then, when the cookie dough balls are all ready, put them in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the edges are slightly brown. While your cookies bake in the oven, organize your kitchen, because organization leads to perfection. When your cookies are ready, let them chill for at least 15 minutes before eating it. After that, organize them in a nice plate and enjoy your cookies. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your cookies at home. Now, you're gonna watch Chloe teach you vegan recipes to do during quarantine.
Thanks, Pedro. Now I'm Chloe and I'm going to teach you how to bake banana pancakes. First, you take one banana, you cut it in pieces and you put it in the blender. Then you add 2 spoons of sugar. can be any sugar. Then you add 3/4 of a cup of water, or if you prefer and have at home, vegetable milk. You add 1 spoon of coconut oil, then 1 spoon of cinnamon, 1 spoon of vanilla extract. To make the pancake roll, then you add a little bit, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a little bit of salt, around half a teaspoon. Then you blend everything together until it looks homogeneous. And then add some chocolate chips to the mixture. Then you just add some oil, I used coconut oil, to the frying pan, and you lay some of the dough in it to bake the pancake. Don't forget to turn it around. Did it! Your pancake is now ready. To serve, you can add a little bit of maple syrup, peanut butter, or something else that you prefer. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Now it's the turn for Bia to teach us some more.
Thanks, Claire. Now I'm going to teach you how to make a tie-dye pillowcase.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Bye!